Okay, so tip number one is to move, move, move. So the less that you move and the more time you spend sitting down, especially with a bad posture, the worse your lower back's going to be. A couple of reasons. One is that the muscles on the front of your hips are going to tighten up, and when they're tight, they're going to tend to try and pull you forward all the time, putting pressure on your lower back. So if you sit less, they're getting less tight, and that's going to put less pressure on your lower back. The other thing you've got to think about is flexion capacity. So if you tend to sit around and back like that, you're going to use up your flexion capacity and you're more likely to get injury, either to the muscles or to the actual discs themselves. So move more, spend less time sitting, and your back's going to be a lot healthier for a start. So tip number two is becoming aware of posture, not just when sitting but also standing. So avoid this kind of posture going on, we slumped forward, and learn to stand on a nice tall posture. Keep your shoulders pulled back, and actually find that once you get in the right spot, the lower back muscles actually be relaxed. But as soon as you tend to creep forward a little bit or drop your head or poke your chin, you find they tend to be switched on all day and they're going to get sore. So learn to stand with your shoulders pulled back, nice tall posture, and actually relax slightly, putting them under less strain in the long term. Okay, so tip number three is to stretch your hip flexors, because if you sat down all day, they're going to be very, very tight. And my general rule is that the tighter your hip flexors are, the more strain lower back's going to be under. So one of my favourite stretches is to get one foot up on a couch or a chair, and then out in front, nice and tall your posture, get a little bit of a stretch here, and then just tense your glutes, and just heighten that stretch in these hip flexors. 15 to 30 seconds each side, maybe do 2 or 3 goes on each side as well. Keep these muscles loose, more relaxed and flexible they are, the less strain is going to be on your back. Okay, so my 3 top tips to help you reduce and manage lower back pain a little bit better. If you want more information, please visit my site at lowerbackpainfix.com, where we take you through some more detailed information and exercises and tips and techniques to help you really manage lower back pain a lot better for the long term, and obviously reduce symptoms as well.